And I've taken a 1x12 pine board and I've glued on a 3/8 inch PVC board on top of that. And we're going to be using that as our sink base. Here's a closer look at that base that I made. I've had overhanging here. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a piece on the back like this. We're going to attach that with staples and glue. And that'll be the support that goes on the wall that holds the whole sink. Now I'll attach these sides like this. And any high spots, I'll take my orbital sander, we'll sand that off. And you can sand this PVC. Just want to make sure you use a really fine grit on it. This is just a warming pan, a bain-marie pan, I guess they call it, a steam pan. What I'll do is I'll center that right there. And we'll trace that, and then we'll cut that part out and mount the sink in. Now I'm going to go in like that. The paper gasket goes on top of that rubber gasket. Now you don't want to turn this on so tight that you squeeze out all your sealant. Okay, got that all tightened on. This was all tightened on before, so I don't have to wrench on this sink when I'm all done. It has squished out all the way around the inside, so it's got a good seal in there, but it's still not squished all out like I warned you about before. Now we're going to set that aside for a little bit, let that cure. Now I'm just going to go ahead and sand this up. And I do have a little gap right there, and what I'm going to do is run a little bit of wood glue in here, and while I'm sanding, that should fill up. I'll be using some 320 grit sandpaper. Now the trick here is don't touch that Lexel until that's cured. While this is curing, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my faucet. I have a shank extender here that I need to get down through here because this threaded shank here is not long enough to go down through both of these and put the nut on and put the water supply on. So we're going to extend that shank down a little farther with this shank extender. Make sure when you put your Teflon tape on that you're going with the direction that you're tightening. So the way that works is I got to drill a hole now in my sink base that fits that nut. I'll drop that down in. You can see that that flange right there covers that. This will go on. I might need two of them. Then you can tighten this on. And that goes right up against the bottom of the base, your countertop. Time to put the sink in. What I've done here in the bathroom, just put a little ledger board underneath here to hold the sink while I attach it to the wall. think that looks pretty nice in there.